This movie has one hero, one granule, which is one dot in a huge world. What does it have that makes it a hero? We put a brain inside the granule and turn it into a wonder granule, offering breakthrough ideas and pioneering eco-friendly solutions to make a better world. Tosaf's commitment to a circular and sustainable economy emphasizes the importance of helping our customers address the needs of the present while safeguarding the future. Our innovative granules provide high mechanical strength, powerful photoselectivity, and long-lasting thermal properties, ensuring optimized temperatures. We've created superior UV granules designed for high chemical environments and pest control. Our solutions boost yields, conserve water, and cut farmers' costs. This is a result of a dynamic synergy between three key elements at the heart of our operations. Firstly, our R&D Center, a beacon of knowledge and innovation with a legacy of excellence, conducting accelerated simulations, setting new standards for performance and sustainability. Moreover, being farmers ourselves, we don't just stop at the lab. Our hands-on approach, running field experiments in challenging weather and terrain conditions, enables us to boost our products' resilience and adaptability. Our agriculture products blend the extensive expertise we've acquired over 4 decades of working together with our customers around the world. Our production capacity reaches 150,000 tons a year. We offer one-stop shop, personalized, tailor-made services to all our clients. And so, with exceptional availability in over 50 countries, our granules do wonders around the world, helping millions of people enjoy much better and sustainable products for less resources. Increasing yields, improving food, saving energy and water, protecting the environment, offering a better quality of living in almost all aspects of life. Although it may seem tiny, for us, each granule is a hero. Tosaf.